Let's agree on one thing. Currently, Kenyan's online business is booming. Like, if you want to make money online, right now is the time. If you don't take this opportunity, I don't know if there will be another. They always say that opportunity knocks once. This is the opportunity to start a small business in Kenya and make money. I'm gonna show you guys how to do this, and you don't need to have anything. There are no skills required, and to start a business you don't even need to go to school. You just need to have a little capital. When I say a little capital, even if you have 2,000 shillings right now, I got you. I'm gonna be telling you guys how to start a small business, whether you're a student, whether you have a full-time job, or if you don't have any job. Are you guys ready? Now, as you can see, guys, online has become the thing today, and everyone needs to have a small business going on online. I've been telling you guys about freelancing, about drop shipping, but today I don't want to talk about that, because I know if you've never tried that, then you can never do it by now. But if you want that, go and watch my other videos. Today we are focusing on how to start a business online, and I'm gonna give you step by step. First, before I tell you the best and the most lucrative currently. Step one, even before we can start a business, find your niche. Know where you want to belong. Niche is just a space. What is your interest? What do you want to do? What do you want to sell? What do you want to market out there? What are the gaps in your locality? Check the things that people want to buy online. What are the things selling right now? Are they part of your interest? You can even write down all of them and then decide. There are so many niches you can explore. I've seen people selling phone accessories, that is cables, covers. These are things that don't require a lot of capital. There is a guy who imports phone accessories at 80 shillings. Imagine getting phone covers at 80 bob, and then you sell to people even at 150. You're making almost 100% profit, and you don't even need a physical sale to start some of this. You can sell to your friend, you can sell to your colleagues. Anybody can buy this. If you have a university around you, this could be a lucrative niche. Students usually fancy phone covers. They love chargers, they love cables, earphones. All those things are related to phone accessories. You can look at skincare, because ladies will always be the #1 purchasers if you start a shop. You can also look at homemade crafts. All these are available niches that you can explore right now. Once you have a list of all the things you can sell, because I expect you to take your time, have at least 5 items. Now, the next thing is to research your market. Maybe your list consists of maybe cosmetics, phone accessories, homemade crafts, sprays, clothes, shoes. Now, once you're done with that list, check your market. Research on your market. Are people willing to buy these things? Are you going to sell them online or offline? Are you going to sell them on Facebook, WhatsApp, or Instagram? Are you going to sell them on TikTok? What is your market? Are the people that are in those spaces that you want to sell willing to buy these items? Out of the items you've listed, which one do you think people will purchase more? Which one do you think will sell easily? Tick, tick, tick. By now, I believe you will have narrowed down. You will have known maybe 2 items that you're going to deal with, or 1. It is always good to specialize, because jack of all trades can never be a master of any. You can just be mastering one. Start with one thing, master it, and then keep growing. So once you're done with that, the next thing is to know where you will get your stock. Where are you going to be buying these things in wholesale? This is the next thing you need to research. Even before you open a shop, make sure you've gone to Kamukunji, or at least you have contacts. You have maybe Du Bois. It depends on what you want to sell. Some are available in other towns like Eastleigh. Yeah, check on what you will sell. Is the wholesale store convenient for you? Can you be able to reach them? Because there is no way I can say I want to sell cars today, yet I cannot be able to import anything. So make sure what you want to do is easy to get. Can you be able to source for that product? Ask yourself that. Now, once you're done with that, step 4 is now to set up your online shop. Remember, we want an online shop because a physical shop is going to be very costly. You will need rent, you will need maybe a lot of shelves and all that. But with an online shop, you just need some space in your house. A corner in your house is enough. So open the online shop. How do you do this? By opening an account. And you don't even need to have website. I know people are wondering now, how do I start opening a website? No, just open an account on Facebook, on TikTok, on Instagram, and then have the same username. That's the trick. So if today I wanted to start something, I would just maybe call it Anne's Watches or Anne's Baby Shop, Kiki's Baby Shop. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, everywhere. Make sure you use the same username. Don't mix up the names because you want something that people will master. Also, make sure it's something very straightforward. Don't have very complicated words at Jamaican terms, Chinese that people are not even able to mention. Make sure you have something simple that people can easily remember and come back to you. You know, you want people to come back to buy to you. See ati nanunua leo and then I forget the name of the shop, I will never ever be seen again. No. So once you're done with that, step 5 is marketing your product. Make sure you take clean photos. Clear photos. You don't even need to have a very extraordinary camera. With your phone camera, you can do this. But then make sure that you have enough lighting. When it's come to photos, videos, lighting is everything. So if you're taking photos, make sure you take them outside where there's a lot of light, or if you're indoors and you want to take them, make sure you use a ring light or you place the thing you're taking photos against a window. Yeah, lighting is everything. Take clear photos, market your products online. You can go to very many websites. You can use hashtags that are related to the items that you're selling. To say you're selling cosmetics, make sure you use hashtags. Maybe hashtag where to get cosmetics, hashtag where to buy affordable lipsticks, hashtag, you know, use hashtags related to what you're selling. That is a strategy for marketing yourself. And also make sure you are present online. See, I'm texting you today and then you reply to me 5 days later. If you want an online shop, you cannot work with that. You have to be present. As you do that, you also need to have a plan on your finances. I always advise people to have a different phone number with the one you use. Don't have the same phone number for business and for, you know, personal use. Have a different number so that people can, you know, transact with that. You can even decide to have a pay bill number or buy goods, which is usually the best. And also you can have maybe pochi la biashara. Make sure you have a good payment plan. You can even be deposited for money directly to your bank. You don't want to get confusion and regret later. You gave out your real number, your real phone number. So do not mix up your phone numbers and the business, okay? Remember, we are targeting on growth. You might find some years later you have so many people asking so much information and you might lose track. That's why you need a specific phone number for business. Step 7 is customer service. This is everything. This is what will determine whether you will grow or you're going to stagnate. Be polite to your clients. Be kind to your clients. Make sure you answer them promptly. Do not delay messages. Make sure you are online. If someone comments, make sure you reply. Make sure you love their comments, like their comments. Kama when you wale wenye huwa reply comments, you cannot make it in this. You have to be someone who really engages with people. Engage with your clients, engage with your customers, ask them for reviews. If they have a complaint, listen to them, assure them. You have to be a sweet talker. If you cannot talk sweetly, hey, business will slap you. You will be saying people have kamote, that's why their businesses are booming. But no, your language really matters when it comes to business. If you are clear with your customers and you're kind enough, then you can be sure they will refer other people to come and purchase your products. That's why I always say it is super easy to grow your business as long as you're a good person and you have good intentions. So make sure uko consistent. By the way, I didn't remember to say about consistency. Consistency is everything in business. Do not get lost. Once you start this, make sure you're always there. Push yourself. Be present. Push. One day, you never know, you're going to make it. And that's how I always encourage people. Keep doing it consistently, because the future actually depends on the present. And then start now. Don't wait for tomorrow. Start right now. The earlier you start, the better. You don't need to have a lot of money to start a business. Just start with the little that you have, especially online businesses. You don't need to have everything. Just start small and you will grow with time. That's how millionaires are made, guys. Yep. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've liked. If this video was informative, don't forget to leave a like, guys. And in case you're new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell on so that you get notified whenever I post videos. And that's it for today. I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.